Okay, so I'm working with Amber's file on this really cute Finley character, and we're in Adobe Animate. And the issue that Amber was having, first, let's just scrub this timeline to see how beautiful the animation is turning out. Really nice, Amber. So the issue that Amber had is that when we went to export the file, it only showed the very beginning, like this resting pose, and it kind of went up to here. And that is a pretty simple fix. It's because we're actually in your assembly file, Amber. And if we go out to your scene, your scene only has keyframes up to this point. So what we would want to do is insert keyframes here. If you hit on a Mac, you can hit F5 or function F5 or just insert frame, and you can just kind of keep doing that, F5, 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 or you can take this and drag it over. Is another way to do that. And then I'm going to clear this clear keyframe. It's just going to be where it needs to go. So you can see that it should be animating the full extent. I'm just going to do that little crash. So I'm up to 80 right now. You can see here that that's at 80, but I want to go into that symbol to check and see how far it goes. It goes further than that. You're right now at 86. So you may actually go further because based on the piece that you had with all of the drawings, you're going to have to go further. So I know that we should probably extend this even further. So we're just going to take and pull it out. And so you just have to watch that your assembly file will track the same amount of keyframes as your other one. So now if we go back and we hit play, it's gonna loop that, but you can see that you have more time on your animation. Fantastic little animation here, Amber. Really excited to see Finley in his playful way, and this is how you're going to continue that on. So congrats to you, and I hope that helps everybody understand how those assembly files work. Keep animating.